Most MSPs start January with good intentions, but no plan. This year that ends, because this December, CharTec is hosting the MSP Roadmap 2026 workshop, and it's your chance to walk into January with a complete, data-driven, executable plan for a profitable 2026. And let's be honest, every year you promise you'll plan when things slow down. But in this business, things never slow down, do they? So instead of winging another year and reacting to whatever comes next, it's time to hit pause and actually build the roadmap that drives real growth for next year. Over 3 focused days, you'll assess your business from top to bottom. You're going to define who you really serve and how to stand out in your marketplace. You're going to build your 2026 budget and forecast with confidence. And by the time you leave, you'll have a complete, actionable 2026 plan ready to roll out in January. Goals, strategy, messaging, and forecasts all locked in. Most planning sessions leave you with more spreadsheets and no direction. This one's different. It's live, guided, and done with you, step by step. You'll leave with a finished roadmap, not a half-done draft you'll never look at again. And this workshop is structured, focused, and hosted inside CharTec's own multi-million-dollar MSP. So you're learning from people who actually run the kind of business you're trying to grow. If you're an MSP owner tired of guessing your way through the year, if you lead a team that needs clarity, alignment, and momentum, this workshop's for you. Seats are extremely limited. We're keeping this group small to ensure every attendee gets hands-on feedback and personalized direction. So don't wait until January to figure out your plan for next year. Take control of 2026 now. Join us this December, CharTec headquarters here in Bakersfield, California, and leave with the clarity, confidence, and strategy to make next year your best year in business. Click below and reserve your seat for the MSP Roadmap 2026 workshop before they're gone.